Is English even relevant anymore in the age of AI? With all these instant translation tools and AI writing assistants, is English still a valuable skill? Many professionals are starting to think they don't need English skills anymore. I believe that they need them more than ever. Machines can now translate your words into perfect English in real time. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. They only translate your words. If your words are poor, your sentence vague, awkward, or low level in your own language, that's exactly how it will sound in English. In casual situations, well, that might be fine. But in business, leadership, or negotiation, your presence, timing, tone, and intuition matter more than your vocabulary. And no machine can replicate that. Picture a live negotiation on Zoom. You pause to feed your translator gadget or app, but in the meantime, someone else grabs the floor. Yes, your perfect translation arrives, but it arrives too late. The moment is gone. AI will replace basic English, levels A1, A2, even B1. But the higher you go, the more fluent your competitors are. You won't stand out with a gadget, believe me. Humor, irony, timing, pushback. This is where humans win. Translation tools help you survive a conversation. But if you want to lead one, you need real fluency. Don't outsource your voice. Train it. In a world full of flawless machines, the human who speaks with power still wins.